On the way to the Guanabano farm that our partner company is constructing, we pass what are typical tilapia farms in Honduras. These farms are really just holes dug into the ground which are then filled with water and fish, and if you take a closer look you'll notice buzzards, cattle, and other animals who come to feed. As you can imagine, with the wildlife, stagnant water, and the lack of filtration, contamination is a real issue. When you arrive at the Guanabano farm, the first thing you'll notice is the state-of-the-art geomembrane tanks that have been constructed. Our partner company has already completed Phase 1, which is the construction of 50 tanks. These tanks alone will be able to harvest 70,000 pounds of tilapia each month. Phase 2 will be to add another 50 tanks, and then shortly after that, 50 more, bringing the total to 150. This will allow them to have the capabilities of producing more than 210,000 pounds of tilapia each month. These fish will also be organic certified. The tilapia will be fed from a plant called moringa, which is being grown on their 2,000-acre farm, and in return, when the water from the geomembrane tanks go through the filtration system, the material collected will then be used as fertilizer for those crops. Here are a few interesting stats before I wrap up. Honduras is the leading supplier of tilapia to the United States, producing about 60 million fillets to the U.S., and only one farm in Honduras has all that business. This farm will actually be the second company licensed to export tilapia. Numbers show by the end of 2012, this export is projected to increase by 8%. Here's an interesting fact. The U.S. tilapia market is actually split between frozen and fresh, and with Honduras being only a 2-hour flight away, it's a huge strategic advantage. In this slide, you'll see two photos. That top photo is actually a picture of the farm of the one company that is producing and exporting tilapia to the U.S. The bottom photo, once again, is the traditional farm. And here's a picture of the Guanabano farm. Did I mention they will be only the second company with exporting privileges?